We spent the last 7 years studying cults, cult brands, and buyer psychology so we could crack the code on customer attraction because the internet is a crazy place and it's getting harder and harder to get customers in the door. So, I'm going to share the 3 steps to the invite systems that cult creators use to attract the right customers. Step 1 is a tribe offer. Most people have an ordinary offer, and that's why they're not getting sales because ordinary offers are invisible for many reasons, but the brain is wired to ignore your offer, to not buy, to protect their wallet and their reputation. So it's really hard to get somebody to actually pull out a credit card to buy a course, a program, a PDF, or whatever. So that's where cult creators build for a collective. Creators build a program or a product or a PDF and then figure out how to sell it. Cult creators build for a collective because we know people, we can't make them buy, but we can make them want to belong. So a tribe offer is designed to attract the right person with the right desired result and achievement and a new path to get there. That's really what it sets apart a tribe offer from an ordinary offer to attract the right customers who want to buy and buy in. The second is an offer doc. So we don't want to build a complicated sales page and sales funnel and checkout and all these things just to take customers and take payments. We just want to send them to a simple Google Doc that communicates the tribe offer and does the selling for you because people hate to be sold, but they love to buy and they probably need whatever you're selling. So that's where a simple Google Doc should just communicate what is ahead of them and what it takes to buy because the tribe offer gets them to buy in and the Google Doc is what gets them to actually buy, right? And then the third piece is propaganda. So we don't want to just throw a bunch of stuff out there that says, hey, look at me, look what I can do, buy from me. We want to create intentional pieces of propaganda to attract the right people with shared values and beliefs to show them what we can accomplish together so that they are already bought in by the time they see our tribe offer in our offer doc, right? And so that's how you that's how you attract the right customer into the door because you can't build a strong business, a strong community with the wrong customers. The wrong customers aren't worth what they're willing to pay and they're soon going to bail and you're going to have to replace them with time and energy and money. The right customers are already bought in, they're willing to take action, they're willing to engage, they're more likely to get results and they're more likely to give you testimonials that attract more of the right customers, give you referrals, support your community, and just buy everything you want to sell. So that's why our invite systems as cult creators is all about the right person because the right person will grow your business from the inside out and the wrong customers are just a waste of time. So that is the cult creator model invite systems. We have another video on here to show you the cult creator model overview if you're looking to build a customer cult and get paid every day to change lives at scale. All right, let's go.